So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to add effects to text here in Alight Motion. So once you have your Alight Motion opened up, go to the bottom right, select the plus icon, and then select text in the bottom right. Go ahead and type in what you want. So if I wanted to type in the word effects right here, I will then change it so that's a little bit larger, and I will go ahead and make it red, just like that. And I'll just go ahead here and I'll just make it a little bigger. So if you wanted to add some effects to this text, it's pretty simple. Press on the text right here, then go to the bottom right and select effects. Once you're here, go ahead and select add effects. Now a bunch of different options right here. So if you wanted to go ahead and maybe add, I don't know, a transformation to it, you can go ahead and add a transformation to it and just press standard, so that if you were to play the video right here, the text here is now has some effects. You can also add some other effects as well. Effects, you can add an effect. Maybe we wanted to add like a color and light to it, or maybe you wanted to add, I don't know, a procedural, like whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and you can kind of add what you want to add. So if you wanted to go ahead and play your video right here, what you just added to the text with effects is now present. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add effects to text here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.